So you love eating Nigerian akara and akamu, but you don't really know how to prepare it. Don't worry. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make a yummy Nigerian akara and akamu. Okay, so the first thing you'll be doing is for you to soak your beans. Yeah, soak your beans for like 2 to 3 hours. We have two different types of how you can peel your beans to make akara. You can soak it for like 3 hours and use your hand to peel it, or better still put it in the blender just like so, and then you blend bit by bit, just as you are seeing in the video. Just be blending it like this bit by bit, and before you know, all the bean skin will just peel off, and then you have your beans to make your akara. It doesn't even take long to peel your beans if you do it like this, or better say you soak it for like 3 hours. So after I blend just like so, and I went ahead and I just washed my beans. I washed my beans off camera, and then the next thing you will do is for you to add your habanero pepper. That is, if you're a lover of pepper, add your habanero pepper, add your onions, and make sure you're not stingy with your onions. Add your crayfish and then your seasoning cube. Me, I prefer blending everything together like this. Add my seasoning cube, my onions, my pepper, and then I will just blend everything together. The only thing I will put separately is the salt. After I must have blended it, I'll just add a little bit of salt, and then I will mix everything together. I'm going to be showing you guys. So after blending your beans, the next thing you do is to add your pot on the fire, and then you pour in your your vegetable oil. Okay, and make sure you are not stingy with vegetable oil too, because when you add a little of vegetable oil, your akara will not even come out well. Make sure you add enough vegetable oil inside your pot, okay, before you start frying your akara. Another thing you need to do again is that don't let your vegetable oil to be too hot, okay? Just keep it in a medium. Don't let it too hot, because when your vegetable oil is too hot, your akara will not come out very well. Like, the thing will just start burning after you just add it, like just as you are seeing the video. It will just start to burn. It will not cook well inside. So don't let your vegetable oil too hot. Just allow it to heat in a medium, okay? So just as you are seeing, my akara is brown. Like, when it's golden brown like this, you know that your Nigeria akara is almost ready. So all you need to do is just to flip it, just as I'm doing it in the video. Just flip it, flip the other side, and let the other side cook, and also let it to be golden brown, just as you are seeing in the video. So when it's golden brown like this, you know that your akara is almost ready, like 90% ready. Okay, the inside will cook very well. Just look at that. So this is how you make your Nigerian akara. And for the akamu, if you don't know how to make akamu and you want me to show you guys how you can make your Nigeria akamu, please drop the comment down below. Thank you all so much for being here. See you all in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.